What if I told you? There are people in America making extra income right now. Without a college degree. Without quitting their job. And without starting a business from scratch. Some are editing videos from home. Some manage social media for small businesses. Some work as virtual assistants online. And many of them started with zero experience. Meanwhile, millions of people are struggling with rent, bills, credit cards, and the rising cost of living. But what if one skill, just one skill, could change your income? What if that skill could help you make an extra $500, $1,000, or even more every single month? In this video, I'm going to show you 5 skills you can start learning this month. No degree. No fancy resume. No experience needed. And number 5 might be the easiest way to start making money fast. Let's get into it. Skill 1: Social Media Management. First, social media management. Right now in the U.S., thousands of small businesses are online. But many of them are struggling with consistency. They don't have time to post. They don't know what to write. And they don't know how to grow their pages. They need help with writing captions, posting content, replying to messages, and keeping engagement active. And here's the truth. Most business owners don't care about your degree. They care about results. If you can help them look active online, you can get paid. Even one client can bring you a steady monthly income. Some beginners start with a few $100s. Others grow into full-time income. All from managing simple social media tasks. Skill 2: Short-form video editing. Now, this one is growing very fast. Short-form video editing. TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels. Content is everywhere. But creators don't have time to edit everything. So they hire editors. If you can, cut clips, add captions, sync audio, and make videos engaging. You already have a valuable skill. And here's something interesting. Many editors today started with just their phone, using apps like CapCut. No expensive software. No film school. Just learning step by step. And once you get good, you can charge per video or monthly packages. Because creators always need content. Skill 3: Copywriting. Copywriting. This is one of the most powerful online skills. Because words sell everything. Emails sell products. Ads bring customers. Landing pages convert traffic into sales. Businesses pay for writing that drives action. If you can learn how to write simple, persuasive messages, you can get paid online. Even basic copywriting can start small, but grow into high-income work. Because one good sales message can generate thousands of dollars for a business. And the person who writes it gets rewarded for that skill. Skill 4: Virtual assistants. Now let's talk about something simple, but very powerful. Virtual assistants. Busy entrepreneurs in the US need help. They can't do everything alone. They need support with emails, scheduling, customer support, data entry, and research. These are simple tasks, but very important tasks. And here's the key. You don't need advanced skills to start. You just need to be reliable, organized, and consistent. Many virtual assistants start part-time and grow into full remote careers. Because once a business trusts you, they keep you. Skill 5: Digital products. Now this last one is where most beginners miss out. Digital products. This includes templates, planners, guides, checklists, and digital downloads. The idea is simple. You create it once and sell it many times. No extra work per sale. That means you're not trading time for money every time. And people are already buying digital products every day online. Because they want shortcuts. They want structure. They want ready-made solutions. And if you can provide that, you can build a real income stream online. How to get your first client? Now here's where most beginners get stuck. They don't know how to get clients. So here's a simple method. Step 1. Pick one skill. Just one. Step 2. Create 2 or 3 samples. Even if nobody paid you yet. Step 3. Start reaching out. You can use Fiverr, Upwork, LinkedIn, or even direct messages. Keep it simple. For example, "Hi, I noticed your business online and I'd love to help improve your content or support your workflow." No long pitch. No overthinking. Just action. Here's the truth. You don't need 10 skills. You only need one. One skill you can learn. One skill you can sell. And one skill you can grow. Because in today's world, skills are income security. So now tell me, which skill would you start with first? Learning high-income skills is good, but keeping money matters too. Watch my previous video on how to save tiny income.